Hello, I saw your question on discussion board about calculating the sum of, you want to calculate the sum of the squared residuals. And so you'd already calculated y hat to be 3x minus 2 in part B. And part F asks you to calculate this. Well, you're given this table of values, x and y. You calculated this y hat here. Now you just want to plug in the various values for x, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8 into the equation from part B, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. And so I put in those various values, 3 times 3 minus 2 is 7. 3 times 4 minus 2 is 10. Then I continue 13, 19, and 22. Now you want to find the residual. The residual is actual value minus y hat. And so here's the actual values, which was given, minus y hat, which we just calculated. And so it would be 7 minus 7, which is 0, 10 minus 10, which is 0, 11 minus 13, that's negative 2, and then we get 0 and 0. Now we want to square those. You square 0, square 0, you square negative 2, that's a positive 4, and now you want to add this column, and so the sum of the square root of the residual is equal to 4. In part D, you'd already came up with this equation, and you want to repeat this process for a different equation than you had above. And so you're, again, same table as above. Now you want to calculate y hat with the new equation, so you take 3 and you put it in there, and you calculate that, it comes out to 6.49, and you want to find the residual, which is actual value minus y hat, which comes out to 0.51. If you square that, 0.2601. Now you want to do that for each of these values here. You got 4, 5, 7, and 8. I'll let you do that and calculate the residual, square it, and then find the sum of it. I think it comes out to be 3.163. Hope this helps.